Doing something a little different today. Just had that tropical depression come up the coast and come into North Carolina a little bit and bring a bunch of rain. So got the smoker covered, the wood smoker, all the wood pile over there covered. So won't be smoking anything today. Thought I'd do some skewers, kabobs. Basically just some beef chunks, mushrooms, onion, pepper. Got it seasoned. Salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper. Do this over some lump charcoal, and I've never tried mesquite. I've read a lot about it. Pretty strong stuff, good for open fire, direct heat cooking. So thought I'd sprinkle a few wood chips over that to get a little smoke flavor. Nothing overpowering. Stuff's supposed to be pretty strong, but I'd like to try it. This right here is the exact reason why I got that offset. I mean, I wanted one. You can cook better food on an offset, but I got no cooking space. I'm not really smoking these, but still, I do like cooking space. Got tired of doing like one rack of ribs or like one, maybe two pork butts. It's just no room. All right, finishing these off. Just doing them over the direct heat there for about 30 seconds or so. Try to get a little char on it. Still got these to go. Here's the last three. Ain't nothing like that sizzling sound there. A piece of meat fell off. I tried it. That's really, really good with that mesquite. First time I've ever cooked any, or well, first time I've ever cooked or eaten anything that was done over mesquite. And here's the final product. In here with some better light. Get a good little char at the end. Definitely have to make these again. We'll look up some recipes, see if anybody ever puts a sauce or anything like that on these. This is just dry seasoning and indirect heat for probably half of it, and direct heat right at the very end.